channel. I want to make another video to give you a little hack that I use to give a semi-permanent contour without the daily makeup. The trick that I use is just to apply a little bit more sunscreen to the places that you normally highlight when you do your makeup. For me, it would be my nose and my cheeks. A sunscreen lotion or a sunscreen stick will work either way. So I would just use my stick because I'm lazy, and I would just apply it to my nose and on my cheeks, just like this. One swipe. Please don't put too much or overdo it because you will end up with shapes on your face. Where I am, it is pretty sunny outside, so doing this gradually would protect your skin and give you a pretty highlight when you wake up. Tell them, boys and girls, it's natural, and that is it for the highlighting part. For the contouring part, this might be obvious, but you can put at-home tanning lotions to the outline of your face or your cheek to give you that snatched look. Now, contouring will stay for a couple of days. I don't always do it because I feel like the highlighting is enough for me, and I don't always like the smell of tanning lotions, but it does work. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any other tips or tricks that you use to give you that snatched look, please feel free to let me know, and I'll try it and I'll let you know how it goes.